Assalamu alaikum, good morning playgroup students. Hope you all will be fine. I'm your class teacher. My name is Ma'am Asia from the Educator School. This is your English book. Okay, the name of book is My Activity Book of Letters and Sound Level 1. My Activity Book of Letters and Sound Level 1. Okay, now open your book and take out the page number 13. I will summarize for you. You have read the letter D in previous lecture. Letter D. Trace the letter D with your finger. Do like me. Good. And say the sound of letter D is D. Okay. Okay. D drum. D drum. D dog. D dog. D duck. D duck. And D doll. Okay, D doll. Okay, the next page. Open the page number 14. Open the page number 14. Please take out. Okay. Join the dots. You can see the picture of duck, and the duck start from letter D. The initial letter of duck is D. Okay. You have read in previous lecture. Okay. Students, how you can write the letter D? Okay, these are four lines in your English writing copy. Okay, so you will start from first line, draw a straight line and draw the half semicircle. Okay, between two lines. This is letter D. Okay, start from first line to bottom line. Okay, do like me. Draw half semicircle. It make D. Okay, students, do practice in your rough copy. D. Okay. As you can see on the page number 14. Okay, start from this dot. Draw a straight line. Good. Do like this. Draw a straight line. Yes. And the second part is draw a half semicircle. Draw a half semicircle between two lines. It makes D. Okay. So start from this point. Start from arrow. Arrow show the direction how you can write the letter D. Do neat and proper work I have done for you, so you will do it by yourself. Okay, students, this is letter D. Okay, see your next page, page number 15. On page 15 you have the pictures and activity. Okay, identify and color the pictures starting with letter D. Identify. You will identify which picture start from letter D. There are three pictures: duck, cat and dog. So you will find out the picture that start from letter D. So yes, D duck. D duck. Okay, and D dog. Very good. So you will color these pictures, duck and dog. Okay, students. Okay, students, I have done for you. Okay, so you will color on these pictures that start from letter D. D duck. Okay, and D dog. Okay, identify and circle the letter D. Identify and circle the letter D. Okay, there are pictures of dinosaur, and dinosaur start from letter D. And there are different letters as you can see on page 15. D, A, D, B, D, and A. So you will find out the letter D and then circle. Okay. So this is letter D. You will circle the letter D. Okay. This is no. This is A. Yes, this is letter D. So you will circle it. This is this is B. Yes, B. So don't circle it. Yes, this is letter D. You will find out and then circle letter D. Okay, I have completed now. So you will do it by yourself. Students, take care. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.